10 is such an awkward age.
You gotta start doing adult things, but never the fun stuff.
For example, you're old enough to do chores, but not old enough to drive. You know what the worst part about being 10 is, though? You see all the stuff that's wrong with the world.
And you can't do anything to fix it.
Hello? Boy cooties?
Come on, somebody. Lisa, sign my petition.
What's pet vision?
It's where you demand change.
I don't like change.
Will you sign?
What for?
No homework in Miss Ellison's class.
Like she's going to listen to you.
Miss Ellison?
I'll sign if you finish your classwork.
I wanted to, but I was writing a petition. See? You can't do anything when you're 10.
Not anything that matters.
Let's vote what our service project should be.
I told you, buying houses for homeless people.
Miss Ellison said to be simple, like a canned food drive.
That's it? Collecting cans?
All in favor? I'll post. Let's start working on our posting.
Yeah.
This is where it's awkward being 10.
You can't change your world from 5th grade.
I was sitting there.
But Miss Ellison said we could.
Get out of my spot.
But Miss Ellison...
Move or I make you move.
I heard Miss Ellison. She said we could sit anywhere.
Mind your own business.
Stop pushing Mason. You bully McBullyface.
A bully McBullyface? Really? Okay, fine, whatever. You're not worth it.
Like we said, 10 is an awkward age. You have to do chores, but you can't drive.
You can't stop homelessness or even homework.
In other words, you can't change the world from 5th grade.
Well, the good news is, well, you can change 5th grade. Just ask Mason.
Even if you get boy cooties doing it.